This is a 2015 Honda Accord, and this is the sound it makes every time we start the engine cold, or at the cold start. It will make this ugly sound. Okay, so that's the push button, and I'm putting the camera outside so you can better hear it, listen to it. All right, so did y'all hear that? It only does it when the engine is cold. So now let me do it a second time and see if it will do it again. See, it didn't do it. Now I already know what the problem is because I researched it. It's the CVT. It's the CVT actuator that is bad. CVT actuator. So it takes. I mean, it'll cost about $1,600 to $1,700 to get that fixed. Now it is under warranty, but your vehicle must not have, I think, 50 or 60 to 50,000 miles, or it cannot be over the manufacturer warranty. So if that's the case, you'll fix it yourself. But I've been driving this for months, several years actually, and well, in the years you have months too. So for a lot of months, and it's fine. So I'm not going to spend $1,600 to $1,700 to get this thing fixed. All right, thanks for watching.